Alex?
What?
What's wrong?
I don't know. Leave me alone. I can't do this. Are you fucking recording this? Don't record this, please. I'm begging you. I don't want to get this recorded. I don't want this on YouTube.
It's not good.
I don't want to. Please, don't. Really, please. My parents might find it. I really don't want them on. I don't. Please, don't. Don't put it on YouTube. Please. Gianna, stop.
I'm not gonna put it on YouTube.
Yes, you are.
No, I promise you I won't.
Let me see. I'm gonna delete it. I'm gonna delete it for you. Give me the phone and I'm gonna delete it for you.
No, listen. Listen.
What?
I have a personal collection and then
No, don't even keep it, please. No. No, no. I don't want my parents to end up finding it. They might end up finding it somehow. You're gonna put it.
Okay, you know what I was gonna do?
What?
Like on Sunday night when I had nothing to do, I was gonna put all my like bad pictures and stuff onto an extra memory card that I had, and then like put that away and act like it's a empty memory card or something with pictures on it. Duh.
Don't, please, no. I don't want you to put it on there, please, don't. Don't, I swear to God, I'm not playing.
Alex, fucking listen.
Stop.
Nobody is going to see this.
No, no, don't even record it. We're gonna watch it, and then we're gonna delete it, because I'm gonna make sure we delete it, because I'm gonna grab it from you, and I'm gonna delete it. Okay? Okay, yes. I'm gonna hold the phone and we're gonna watch it and then we're gonna delete it.
I might chew my lips off.
No, I don't want you to do it.
Am I bleeding?
No! I swear to God, Gianna, no! No! God, I'm not playing. No, Gianna, stop. We're gonna watch it and then you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna watch it and then I'm gonna delete it, okay? I swear to God. That's all. That's all we're gonna do. Please.
Dude, what the fuck?
Don't. I swear, please don't. I'm not playing piano. Just don't. Don't do it, please. Come on, please.
No one's gonna see it.
No.
You guys.
I don't want. We're gonna watch it, and then we're gonna delete it. We're really gonna delete it, okay? We're gonna delete it.
Are you retarded?
No, I just don't want you to have it, please.
You guys, I was tripping so hard and I was like about to drop the camera.
No!
Somebody grab it.
You fuck.
Dude, we gotta clean up. Turn it off.
I'm not cleaning up.